Damn. Yeah.
Hi, welcome to SUSPM Math channel. Today we will learn about Form 5 Chapter 1. In this topic, we will learn direct variation, next is inverse variation, and finally combined variation. First, we will learn about direct variation. In direct variation means that the relation between two variables can be written as y varies directly as x. As x increase, y also will increase. This is the graph for this. Next is if x is decrease, then y will decrease. This is the graph for this case. And to make the graph a direct variation, you need to make sure that the line cross to the origin point. As you can see here, the origin point is at 0. Okay, we will go for the direct variation. Question 1. What happens if the total wage of a full-time worker as a food deliverer varies directly as the number of hours he works? Takes the case on the total wage if the number of working hours is half, the total wage if the number of working hours increase by 50%, and the number of working hours if the total hours is doubled. 10. The solution. The same question as before, but this is the answer. The total weight is half for the question 1. The total weight increased by 50% for question 2. And finally, for question 3, the number of working hours is doubled. So yeah, this is the solution for question 1. Okay, we will learn the formula for direct variation. The first formula. If y varies directly as x can be written as y varies x. This is in the variation relation. If this is the equation form, y equal to kx, where k is a constant. This is a equation form. Sorry for the noise. So how to get this? Usually in a lot of questions they would need you to find k. So how to find k? You need to change x to the other place. So yeah. So x will go to y, and it will become like this. K equal to yx. Okay. Next is direct variation question and solution for 2. Determine whether y varies directly as t. Hence write the relation in the form of variation. Time and distance is the question. So what we need to do is we need to do y over x to find the answer. So as you can see here, this is the y, this is y, and oh sorry, forget this is t. So 14 over 2, 28 over 4, 42 over 6, 56 over 8, sorry for the black handwriting, 70 over 10, 84 over 12. Okay, so what is the answer? 14 over 2 would be 7, 28 over 4 would be 7, 42 divided by 6 would be 7, 56 divided by 8 would be 7 also, 70 divided by 10 also would be 7, 84 divided by 12 would be 7. And this would be the answer. Y varies directly as t because the value of y over t is a constant. As you can see here, all the answers is 7. So you could say that the answer for y over t is constant. Hence, y varies directly with t. Next is the direct relation question as solution 3. This is the question. So in this question, you need to plot the graph. So I will plot it. First, we will need to find in each box how many is it. So as you can see here, each box is 0.1 because 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 and 0.5. So in X we need to find 0.4. So we need to plot it. To plot it, you need to make a line because to make sure that you will not make a mistake. Then for y is 1.5. So draw a line, a dotted line. So you will plot it right here. Next is 0.8. So 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. Okay. Then draw a line. Next y 2. Okay. Next you need to plot the point right here. Next is for 2.5. So this see 2.5. There already 2.5 here. So as usual, draw a dotted line. For y, oh sorry, that's for y. Sorry. For y you need to do 1.2. So 1.1, 1.2. So do a dotted line. And then 2.5. And then to the point. After that, you need to draw a line within the point. So as you can see here, it does not touch the origin point, which is 0. Right here, it does not touch. So this means that x is not directly varies with y. So x is not directly varies. It's not directly varies with y. Okay. Next, we will learn about the formula 2 for direct variation. If y varies directly as x exponent to n can be written as y varies with x exponent n is for variation relation, or in equation form you could do it y equal to k x exponent n, where n equal 1, 2, 3, or 1 over 2, or 1 over 3, and k must be constant. You could also, like before in formula, you need to find, usually the question would need you to find k, so you need to change the x exponent n to here, and we become like this. So for direct variation question and solution 4, determine whether y varies directly as t exponent 2, has write the relation in the form of variation. So this is the question, okay, we need to do. So as usual, y over t exponent 2 power 2. So 14 over 4, 28 over 4 exponent, oh, sorry, maybe we put it into power 2 so that we could see it clear. 42 divided by 6 over 2, power 2. 56 divided by 8 power 2, and 70 divided by 10 divided by 2, and 84 divided by 12 over 2. Okay, now use your calculator and find out the answer. So for first question, 14 divided by 2 power 2, 7 over 2, 7. 28 divided by 4 exponent 2, 7 over 5, 7, oh sorry, 7 over 4. 42 divided by 6 over power 2, so 7 over 6. 56 divided by 8 exponent 2. I'm using my calculator right now. So make sure you use calculator. 7 over 8. 70 divided by 10 power 2. 7 per 10, 7 over 10. 84 divided by 12 power 2. 7 over 12. So what does this mean? This means that y does not vary directly as t power 2 because the value of y over t power 2 is not a constant. Equations, as you can see here, all of it is different answers. Okay. Next, for question and solution 5, okay, we need to plot the graph. This is 8, 18, 32, 50, and this only x. We need to exponent it power 2. So 2 power 2 would be 4, 3 power 2 would be 9, 4 power 2 would be 16, 5 power 2 would be 25. So and then put it in the graph. 4, 1, 2, how many spots? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's just say it is 2. 2, 4, 6, and 8. So 8. Sorry. 4 to a line, and then for y need 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8. This will be 8. So put a point here. Next is for next box is 9. Since this is 8, this will be 9 in the middle. Let's say to do a dotted line, right? And then 18. This will be 12, 14, 16, 18. This will be 18. Do a dotted line. So and then do a point here. Next is for 16. X is 16. So remember, its pos is 2. 12, 14, 16, and 18. So this will be 16. Next is 32. So this is 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. So we got total 8. Next we point it. Make a point. Sorry. Next, finally, 5. X it will be 25. So 22, 24, 26, 28. So this would be 25. So and the answer would be 50. The Y. So we put 50 right here. Next, we would draw a line at the dot. Sorry, let's say use ruler before doing this. I think it's pushed into the origin. So this means that x power 2 varies directly with y. Alright. Next, is the x and y. Okay, for formula 3 for direct variation, y varies only as s exponent m and z exponent n can be written as y direct only direct varies with s exponent m, z exponent n. Y equal to k s exponent m, z exponent n in equation form, where m equal to 1, 2, 3, 1 over 2, 1 over 3, and n equal to 1, 2, 3, 1 over 2, and 1 over 3, and k is constant. Also, just like before, you move all this until you have only k in the left or right hand side. Okay, for the solution. Now, in this question, this will be a long answer. So yeah, we will do it together. So this is the question. X varies directly with y exponent power 2 and z. So x equal to k y power 2 and z. Next, 6, because s is 6, so we will convert x to 6, and k y would be 3, and z would be 5. So this will become, you need to move all this until only k only left. So k equal to 6, 3. Sorry for the bad handwriting. 3. So the answer would be 2 over 15. hence x equal to 2/15 y2. Okay, this is the answer. Next, inverse variation. Inverse variation means that a relation between two variables can be written as y varies inversely as x. If x decrease, y will increase. This is the graph. If x increase, y will decrease. Before the graph for this. Okay, next, inverse variation question 1. Kamil has 20 treats. In his class, he has 10 students. How many treats does teacher Kamil give to the student? Situation A. What will happen if all 10 students are in the class? Situation B. What will happen if half of the students are absent to this class? So, in situation A, all the students attend his class. So, all students will get 2 treats. In situation B, all students who attend teacher Kamil class will get 4 treats. Why? Because only half of the students come to class. So 10/2. So there will be only 5. So teacher Kamil has 20 treats. So 20 divided by 5 will be 4. So they will get all have 4. Oh, sorry, for situation A also like that. 20 divided by 10. So they will get 2 treats. Okay. Next, inverse variation formula 1.1. Y varies inversely as x can be written as y varies with 1/x. Where this variation relation in equation form, y equal to k/x, where k is constant. This is the graph. This is the origin. This is the x and y as usual. This is 1.2. Continue from continue. Y varies inversely as x can be written as also. The graph of y against 1/x is a straight line that starts from origin, and x must not be 0. If the graph like this, if the equation is like this, then it will have a straight line. Origin and y and 1/x, as you can see. Okay, we go to the question and solution number 2. This is the question. Oh, sorry. Um, uh, okay, x would be st, so meaning that 2/180, 3/120, 490, 572, 660. Okay, so we get 360. This one 360. Sorry, this 3, yeah, 3. Okay, this will also get 360. Using calculator, when you count this 360 also, this will also be 360. So the value of st is a constant. As t varies inversely as x, that is t varies inversely with 1/x. So this is the next question. So when we count, as you can see, this is the original question, and then we need to change it to 1/x. So 1/2, 1/4, 1/5, and 1/10. Okay. Now we will put here. If 1/2, it was become 0.5. 1/4, 0.25. 25. 1/5, 0.2. Sorry, these all I have calculated. So yeah, you got use calculator and use it in the uh, point form. So 0.5, we start with 0.5. 1.4, 0.25. So each box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I go say 0.22, 0.24, and this will be to 0.26, 0.28. So this will be, yeah, this will be, yeah. Oh, sorry. It's supposed to be in the middle. So here, 2, 4, right here. Sorry if the graph is not aligned. 0.2. I will go for X first. This for 0.5. Next is Y. It. You need to do in dotted form, dotted line. 0, 4 and 3.2. So there are 5 ports. So this, I could say this would be 2.4, 2.8, and this would be 2.3.2. Wait, wait, to calculate, yeah, 2.4, 2.8, 3.2, 3.2. So right here, or right here, yeah, like this. So for 8, we will plot it. For 4 is 4, we will plot it. This one is the 0.25. This one is 3.2. Oh, 8. Oh, sorry. This was supposed here, and this was not supposed to be here. Okay. And then 3.2. 3.2 would be with 0.2, so here, and 1.6. 1, 2, 3. So 0.4, 0.8, 1.4. So right here. So here would be plotted. The curve of y against 1 over x, so a straight line. Oh yeah, we need to a straight line. So this means that uh, 1 over x inversely varies with y. Yeah, that's why varies inversely as x. Next is the inverse variation formula 2. Y varies inversely as x power n can be written as y varies inversely with 1 over s x power n, y equal to k over s power n, first form, where n equal to 1 to 3, 1 over 2, 1 over 3, and k is constant. This is the graph. So again, so next is y varies inversely as s can be written as k curve of against 1 over s power n is a straight line that starts from origin s not equal to 0, where k is the gradient of straight line, as you can see here. So this is the question. So as usual, t equal to s plus power 2, 2 power 2, take t, t over 2, take 20, 4 power 2, 90 5 power 2 72 6 power 2 60. So the answer using calculator. 720 70 70 is 3. So we have writing again. 3 is for 120. 1080 using calculator is 4. 90 1440 5 72 copy 1800 6 power 2 60 210 60. This is one. So yeah, we will see the answer. T does not raise directly as power 2 because the value of s power 2 t is not a constant. Next, finally, the last subchapter, combined variation. Combined variation involves a combination of direct variation or joint variation and inverse variation. Combined variation has three variables. As s increase, y increase, but c decrease. As s decrease, y decrease, but z increase. Combined variation everyday uses. The sale of product may be directly proportional to the amount of money spent on advertising product, but inversely proportional to the price of the product. Okay, combined variation formula 1. Y varies directly as s power m and inversely as z power n. Can be written as y varies with s power m over z power n. Y equal to k s power m over z power n, where m equal 1 to 3 1 over 2 1 over 3, n equal 1 to 3 1 over 2 1 over 3, and k is a constant. K equal to, as you can see, you just make only k in the left side or right side. So k equal to y part z power n over s power n. Now this is the last slide. It's given that the y varies directly as the square of s and inversely y equal y 8 when s 4 and z is 36. Express y in terms of s and z. So we need to express it. So okay, we will express it. So y, first we need to put it right here. Y equal to k exponent to z. So yeah, 8 equal to k 4 power 2 and z 36. Move 8 36 to 4 over 2. And what is the answer? 8 36 4 over 2. So the answer will be 3. That's all. Thank you for hearing and good luck for your exam.